This is the Motorola Moto G62 5G, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. First of all, swipe downwards from the top part of your display, thus from the status bar, launch the control center, then expand it, find the internet shortcut, touch and hold, choose what network you would like to share the password of. I'll go with the network that I'm currently connected to, tap on it. At the following network details page, click on the share icon, and as you can see, the system provides us with the actual Wi-Fi password over here, as well as with the QR code, which you can further use to automatically get connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Just scan it. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.